screaming!
If I didn't have neighbors, I'd scream right now. What do you want?
I need you to do the dishes right now.
I already did them.
What? Well, I need you to take out the trash.
I did that too.
Huh? Well, you need to.
To do what? I finished all my chores in case you're wondering.
That's not true. I have some more chores for you.
Like what? What else could you have me do?
Well, I need you to, mow the homework again.
You gotta be kidding me.
And I need you to, fold the lawn. Yeah.
That's not
And I need you to walk the fish.
We don't even have a fish.
And if you don't get this done in an hour, you're grounded.
So let me get this straight. You're making up chores now because you're upset that I actually did my job?
Simon, I don't see the problem. All these chores are perfectly reasonable.
You're asking me to bend the laws of reality. How is that reasonable?
You know what? I'm getting your father. Honey.
Where's a hammer when you need it? What do you want?
Our son won't do his chores.
I just saw him doing his chores an hour ago. What do you mean?
Nope, he still has to walk the homework, mow the fish, and fold the lawn.
That wasn't even the correct order. Yeah, are you drunk?
What?